Hello and welcome to Paper Airplane Tutorial with Russell. That's me. Hello to my 75 subscribers. Thank you for watching my channel, my video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. This is my favorite paper airplane. I learned how to make this in 8th grade, and it's my go-to. At least back then it was, whenever I wanted to cause mischief or, I don't know, just have fun. Because that's what I thought was more important than school back then. And I don't know, I might be right, I might be wrong. First step, make a triangle that is a right angle triangle. I know geometry, that's how I know the angle, and that's the terminology. Anyways, I like to use my nails to make my creases more sharper. Some people use pencils, or some people can use like a ruler. Also, by the way, this plane, you can, I'm gonna talk over some of the, it's pretty straightforward. Very basic airplane, not a lot of folds. This is what I would say is like a, on an easy scale, it's like a 1 out of 5. Anyways, continuing on, this is, this style of airplane actually won the world record for the longest distance, which I think is really cool. However, the person who threw it was a football player, and I'm not. So I don't think I'm gonna, but if this is good enough for the world record, it's good enough for me. Anyways, so what I did here is I put that one side and I lined it on the guiding line, and I made a crease right there. And I made sure there's like a millimeter. It's not exactly on it because that helps with bunching up, I guess. Anyways. It's pretty straightforward. I don't know. I'm almost running out of stuff to say because I have to just talk over this and make bullshit up. Anyways, I do this. I don't have enough words to explain what I'm doing. I take way too long on this step. You're supposed to line up where the, Yep. When I was in 8th grade, I used to really be into origami. I used to make origami like swans and turtles and stuff like that. But then I decided maybe I should switch I should use my skills for different purposes. And I started making paper airplanes. And I used to be the guy that used to make paper airplanes for people. And I would be like, hey, you need me to hook you up with a paper airplane? And the guy would be like, yeah, man, thank you. I had a accordion folder which I used to hold all of them, and I would put them in there. Whenever I needed one, I would reach into my accordion folder and grab one, and I would lay it flat, and then I would make the necessary folds to turn it into a paper airplane. Anyways, when you're doing this step, you got to make sure that everything's lined up and nothing's like overlapping, or like nothing's like hanging over the edge when you fold it, because it really affects the flight of the plane. Because if one wing is slightly longer, it's gonna make it go in a circle and it won't fly straight. So and notice how at the tip of the plane I fold it. I don't fold it at to make it sharp at a point. I make it almost like an eagle's beak or something. Alright, and here we go. And this last step I'm about to do is optional, but it does help with the stability of the plane. It's like a little guider for rudder. I don't know. It just helps. And it makes it look cool, and a lot of people don't know this trick. You fold a triangle and you invert the triangle in the paper. And that's it. Basically, that's how you make this paper airplane. And also a cool trick is if you just do this, what I'm doing with my fingers, just flip up the tips. It really helps. And there we go. That's a paper airplane. Now I'm going to test flight the airplane, and this is really where everything comes together. And here we go. In my really dark, dreary, melancholy room, I'm going to throw my airplane. Now the first one was really bad because I didn't... the first is a test flight, and then you got to adjust the wings afterwards. There we go, that was good. When you throw the plane, make sure that it's the shape of the wings make a Y and not like an M, you know, like when you're looking from the back of the plane. Make sure it's like a Y, because it has with that way, in that fashion, it really helps bring high air pressure under the wings and creates low air pressure above it. Look at that! Look at that guy. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, look how I line it up. There we go. Very cool. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please leave a like if you liked the video. And I hope everybody's safe from this corona. It's a scary time, and that's all I have to say. Maybe I'll make more videos.